Do you know you can make money online without having to put anything as investment? All you need to do is your time, your skills, and your energy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money online in 5 different ways. And all these methods are going to work if only you take them serious and listen to the instructions that will be given in this video. So kindly stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Yapzor. I am committed to teaching people how to make their life easier on the web, how to make usage of their mobile phones, how to make usage of their computers very easy and simple without having to be a computer science student, but to get confident with this stuff. And I also teach people how to earn money online. So kindly do yourself a favor by subscribing to my channel for more awesome content. The first on the list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means selling the products of other companies to get paid commissions. So you sell the products of a company and they pay you commission. This can be done physically. We know of this where people, especially career sellers and others, they go to big shops, get the products, go and sell and get paid commissions. But this is also available online. Then you can make use of it where you don't necessarily have to work under the sun to sell the products. But what you do is you have an online platform where you advertise this product, you speak of these products, and people buy from the websites, people buy from those platforms. So for instance, I can get a product on Jumia. That's if you join the Jumia J4 team. And when you get the product there, you speak about it on your channel, on your blog, on your WhatsApp status, or whichever platform you are conversant with. So when you speak about the product, you leave a link for the people to go and download it, or to go and buy the product. So when they buy the product, you get paid commission for that. So there are a lot of people using this method, especially content creators. I have not started any of affiliate marketing on my channel yet, but very soon you are going to see affiliate marketing content on this channel, which are very beneficial and very good for you. So affiliate marketing works in diverse ways. There are affiliate marketing programs in most of the fields that are out there. This method works a lot for content creators too. If you're a YouTuber, if you are a social influencer that's on social media or whichever platform you have, you can get to share those links, especially on products you speak about, and people will get to download them, to buy them, and you get paid money, you get paid commission. So you can join Jumia J4, that works for people in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, and other countries. We also have the Amazon affiliate program, which you can join. It's called Amazon Associates. We have other programs on other websites, especially e-commerce websites, where you can do affiliate marketing for. You can also go reach out to companies where you get their products, and when people buy from there, you get commission out of it. All these ones are under affiliate marketing, and you can earn money from it. So it's an effective way. But if you don't have a platform, you might be wondering how you're able to get people to click on these links. Don't worry, you can try out the other methods. Those will work out perfectly. Second on the list is organizing trainings. This is very good and it's an effective way of earning money online. You can use WhatsApp, you can use Zoom, you can use Instagram, Telegram, or any other platform to do this. This is that people out there, they need knowledge, but going out to fetch it for themselves is what they don't know how to do. Some people, they want a particular knowledge, a particular skill, but they might not know how to get out there and do it. So what you do is you organize training where you teach people on how to get certain skills, how to get knowledge in certain areas, like how to make money online, how to start a business, how to stay well in a relationship, that's relationship coaching and others. So you teach people these methods, you teach them on WhatsApp platform by organizing training, graphic designs and others. And with the trainings, you offer them the basic training, and you get people, you're able to, if you're able to convince people, or you get people to pay for the premium, and then with the premium classes, you teach them more details. And this also works very well. But with this, you have to be valuable. You need a particular skill. You need knowledge in certain areas, which can be learned in a short period. You just have to go on the web, how to become a graphic designer. After you learn how to be and you think you are confident enough, you organize trainings for people and you get paid. So this, you can do it on WhatsApp by sitting at the comfort of your home. I've organized a lot of trainings on WhatsApp for people, and for now I've organized free trainings. In the future I might get premium classes also, which works very well. There are books on how to do this. You can just search online how to organize WhatsApp trainings and you get teachings on this, which are going to help you in your doings, in your earning of money. So it works very well, but you need to be valuable, as I said. 3, to earn money online, we also have selling of products. This can also work like the affiliate marketing, but in a different dimension. In this place, you are not just earning commission, but in selling of products, you are earning profits. It's not necessarily that you need to buy the product and keep in your house. You don't need to go and buy everything and come put in your house or a store where people will buy and go and deliver. No, this is how selling of products online is. You can go to a particular shop or a place where they do archery, whichever area you are interested in, whichever product you are interested in. You can even go online and get the images of those things that you want to sell. So when you get them, you advertise them on your platforms, either on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Telegram, whichever platform you are conversant with, Facebook, Twitter, and others. So when you advertise them here and people are interested in buying, you either get the pay from them, you go and buy the product and deliver, or you can use your own money to buy the product and get your payment on delivery. This works very well. So if you want to make money online and you are good at selling products, all you need to do is to just get the images of those products, but be sure that they will be available when someone orders, so that you wouldn't have the problem of delivering a different product. You have a term, what you ordered versus what you get. Don't do that. It's not a legal thing to do. So kindly do the right thing, do the just thing. When people buy a product, you deliver to them and you get your pay. There are many ways you can deliver products. You can deliver it physically. That's if the person is in the distance that is close to you. You can do by postal, so you can send it through the post office, depending on the kind of product. And we also have the vehicles delivery, where you get one of these transport companies. So you get to the station, you get in touch with them, and the one you have to deliver to, where you give the product, I'll put your details and the other person's details, and they deliver it at a charge. So all these things are ways you can earn money through selling of products without necessarily buying the product for yourself, and it can be done online. All you need is a smartphone and being smart with it. And for a bonus, if you also have products, especially physical products that you want to sell, and not necessarily physical products, and you want to sell them online, there is this app called Quick Buy. Quick Buy is an online vendor shop. It's an online e-commerce shop, especially for people in Kenya and US, that's Ghana, and people around Kumasi and Tamale. If you have a product that you want to sell, you can just put it out there, register with the website. It also has an app, so when you register, you put your product out there and people buy from you and you get paid. It just works like Jumia, works like Amazon and other online platforms. So kindly click on the link below to download Quick Buy online right now and sell your products while you earn money at the comfort of your home. The fourth method of earning money online is content creation. An example is what I'm doing right now, doing videos, blogs, and others. There are many ways you can create content out there that either entertain, that either educate, or add value to people. So content creation is a very convenient way of earning money online. So as I create videos on YouTube, I get paid by YouTube because on my videos they place adverts on them. I get paid through other third parties that I get in contact with, which is also a way of earning money. So there are many ways you can earn money online with content creation. So we have YouTube, we have TikTok, we have Facebook, we have Instagram. All these platforms are now monetizing content of their content creators. We also have blogging, which is an effective way where you have your website, you send your details, you type text there teaching people certain things or giving updates. We have news, blogging, and many other areas. It's not only about news. You can do blogging about sports, blogging about entertainment, blogging about IT, tech, and a lot of things out there. So with these blogs, you put ads there. You can even use the method of affiliate marketing here. You can use the method of selling products here to monetize your content on those platforms. So that's item number 4 on how to earn money online. And before you get to the fifth one, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome content. Yeah, I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Subscribe. It's a simple thing. Click on that red button. Yeah, right now. Click on it. Good boy, good girl. Sorry, good man, good woman. That was, by the way, just forget about me. Number 5, earning money online. We have freelancing. Freelancing is actually one of the quickest way if you are committed to it. Freelancing is basically being self-employed and working for others. So you don't necessarily have to be committed to a company through employment where you are an employee. You go to the office at 9 a.m. and you close at 5 p.m. No. Freelancing is basically working for others while you be at the comfort of your home, or while you depend on yourself for everything. So you are a self-employed person working for others. You can work for people online. People have a lot of things that they want to do. They necessarily don't have employees. There are startups that need a lot of help, and they might not have the money to employ people. So you can avail yourself to these people for money for their projects, and after you are done with their projects, you earn money. So there are various ways you can do freelancing. You can be a graphic designer online. Actually, I'm a freelance graphic design. So if you want any graphic works on graphic design, you want your poster, you want your logo, you want your flyers, whichever that you want, you can kindly contact me on any of my social media platforms, and I'll help you out with the best of graphics. That's a freelancing. You can also create videos for people online. You can write content for them. So people have blogs, people have vlogs that they need people to write out the content for them, to write out the structure for them and everything. You can avail yourself with these ones. And with freelancing, you need a particular skill to do this. You need a particular skill. You need to be skillful and specialized in an area. Not necessarily 100% specialized, but at least basic skills in an area. So freelancing, it depends on your cut. You charge people based on the work you do. So you are the one who determines everything. You can decide to charge someone $20 today. Tomorrow you charge someone 20 cedis. Depending on you. You are the one doing it. You are self-employed. There are platforms where you can get clients for your works. Basically, my most common source of clients for my freelancing graphic designs is on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp groups, I share my flyer. People contact me for their services. And you can do it on Telegram, on Facebook, on Instagram, and many other platforms. But there are also organized platforms where you can put yourself out there, advertise yourself, and people can get in touch with you for you to do the services for them. And with these ones, the money might not come directly to you, but to go through those platforms. We have 2 in Ghana that I know for now. If you know any other one, you can leave the link. You can leave the name in the description below. We have 15ghana.com. 15ghana is a platform where you put out your skills there. People come there. When they are interested in a particular service, they hire you, you work it. Or you can even go there. There are people who need particular things. They advertise their services, their need there. So someone can put, for example, there, I need a graphic designer to do this and that for me. And when you go there, you can just chat the person on the platform. If the person is convinced they can do the work, the person takes the contract with you, you do the work, and you get paid at the end of it. We have cdjob.com, it works likewise. And we have platforms that are global. So with these ones, you need the international payment systems. So we have Upworks, we have Fiverr.com, we have Freelancer, we have 99 Designs, and a whole lot of websites where you can do affiliate marketing on. All these things, you need a skill, and you need to learn how to work on all of them effectively. And I'll be doing videos on each of them that are going to help you very much. So kindly subscribe to my channel for more of this content. And before you go, I would like to give you a bonus. So subscribe if you've not done so for the bonus. Okay, so for the bonus, this is it. All these platforms are great ways to earn money. They are effective ways to earn money. They are legal ways to earn money. But you will not start earning money on the first day. That's the important thing. All you need to do is to be valuable. You cannot just go out there and start making money. No, it doesn't work that way unless you have the skill. So with most of these platforms, you need to be committed to them. If you are not committed, you are not going to earn enough. There are people who earn up to $1,000 on a particular project. By designing a logo, you can earn up to $1,000 depending on how committed you are, how you sell yourself out there. You can also earn a lot through any of these ones depending on how committed you are, how hardworking you are on this one, and how skillful you are. You've got to get the skills for yourself. You have to improve the skills on yourself. And when you improve them, the higher your value, the higher you earn on all these methods. So thank you very much for watching this video to the very end. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also enjoyed it. I enjoyed you watching me give you the knowledge I have. And if you want more of the knowledge that I have and the knowledge that I will learn to provide to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below which of the 5 methods I gave, or even if it's the bonus that added value to your life. You comment below that, and the one with the highest comments, I'm going to do more videos on those areas because I know you guys are interested in those content. So kindly do your best to leave a comment, and also share this video to many others who are out there looking for ways to earn money online. The system is hard, the system is becoming difficult. If you don't find ways to earn money online, you are going to be left behind because the job market is choked and you need to be self-employed. And with this, you can control what you do and you can still earn money. So thank you very much. See you in other videos. Until then, bye bye.